This video introduces the procedures used to gather System X diagnostics with Dynamic System Analysis Preboot Edition. Turn on the server. When prompted at the IBM splash screen, press F2 to enter Diagnostics. The machine will enter Diagnostics. Select Quit to DSA to exit the standalone memory diagnostic program. The Preboot DSA SUSE environment will be booted. Type GUI at the prompt to open the GUI for diagnostic tests. Click Accept to accept the license agreement. Select Full Inventory Collection and Diagnosis to run the Full Inventory Collection and Diagnosis test. Select both content for data collection and actions after the data collection is performed, and then click Run Now. The inventory collection and diagnosis process is in progress. The full inventory collection and diagnostic tests are complete. Click See Details to check the results of the diagnostic tests. You can also click the machine type and serial number to check system information. Click Welcome on the top to go back to the DSA main page. Select Customized Inventory Collection and Diagnosis to customize the inventory collection and diagnosis test. Select the inventory and diagnosis items, and then click OK. The inventory collection and diagnosis process is in progress. The customized inventory collection and diagnosis are complete. Click Finished to check the results of the diagnostic tests, or click System Overview to check system information.